Have you ever tried JavaScript? For beginners, it's a programming language, just in time compiled programming language with first class functions. I have prepared some previous lessons on JavaScript as well. I request you to just watch that channel. I request you to subscribe to this channel and also comment on our presentation so that we can make it more interactive, more fun, and more interesting to learn this whole thing. We'll go bit by bit, step by step, no hurry as such. What will we be doing today? Let me talk about that. We will turn on the bulb, the light bulb, and turn it off using this small code today. On the default mode, this chim, the bulb is turned off. Then we'll seek to turn it on and turn it off by pressing two different buttons. So let's begin. Doc type HTML, it can be small case as well or caps, whichever you like. HTML. HTML has to be small. Doc type can be small or block letters with that exclamation mark. Then comes HTML, open, then the body. Then we give a heading to this uh, text. Okay, let's what about S3? Let's try how it looks. What can JavaScript do? S3 heading closed. Then the paragraph. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. Then the para closed. Then briefly about this presentation, let's write something. In this case, what it does, what are we trying to do in this small experiment? Let's write JS or JavaScript. What does it do? Changes the SRC, that is the source attribute of an image, that is the light bulb. Okay, this much for this what we are seeking to do. Then let's go straight to the coding part. I hope you remember this portion, this segment from earlier editions as well. Button, what else? On click, all small, right? Or what? On click, I leave you to decide, let it be interactive. So I'll be just seeking to make sure that you just explore your mind further. Let it be a bit interactive thing. I'll give you ample opportunities to think through this. Okay, let's say document dot get element by what id. All right, then what? Let's give that image some name, this image or something. All right, then what? src is, then what? Just think about it. I'm stuck. Am I? I think so. let's say pick underscore bulb on dot gif, uh, then what, then what, turn on the light. All right, turn on the light, then the button closes, then what, let's keep this image an id, image id, that is img id. Request you to remember these things. What, image id is what, this image, and then what, src. All right, src is, let's say, bulb, pick pick underscore bulb off dot gif, because you know what, on default mode this bulb is not on, this bulb is turned off. By clicking this turn on the light button, we seek to turn the bulb on, and by seeking another button, that is turn off the light, we seek to turn off the light, to turn off the bulb. Okay, that is what we seek. Then what? Uh, style, style. This is HTML also, HTML and Java wedded kind of thing. So style is, what we do with this is width. Let's say the width of this thing. All right, width is, width is, let's say, 100 px. You know what? You know what this px is? This is pixel. All right, 100 pix. Then what? Then again, button on click, document dot get element by id. Again, this image, then src, that is the source, pick underscore bulb off dot gif. All right, then turn off the light button closed, then the body is closed, and then the html button is also closed. Let's see if it works, our hard work. Let's see, let's check. It doesn't work. Okay, then what we do, let's just go through it bit by bit. Up to this, there is no, I think everything is all right. This is just para, para is closed, para is opened, heading is opened, and heading is closed. No big deal in that case. Then let's try this. Okay, uh, let's see if it works. We just made this on click all small cases, lowercase, that is, let's see if it works. It doesn't. Okay, let's see what this must be. Document dot get element by id, then src. All right, this image is up to this, this is, it is okay. Then this pick dot bulb underscore dot bulb on dot gif within single quotes, and this whole thing, this document dot get element by id portion closes with double inverted commas, uh, then turn off the light. Okay, image id is this image, this is all right. Style is pick dot bulb off dot gif, style, source is pick underscore bulb off dot gif, then style is, what we do is, it's in double inverted commas. You remember this, guys. All right, and the double inverted comma closes. All right. Then button unclick this document dot get element by id. This portion is uh, within double quotes. This this image, this image name, image id is in single quotes. That is all right. Then this pic underscore bulb off dot gif is within single quotes. All right. And then this document dot get element by id, that button closes with an inverted comma. Then we turn off the light and then turn off the button. Then the body is closed and the html is button is also closed. Let's see if it works, if what we aim to do is achieved with these whole lot of corrections. Let's see. Let's check. This is turned on. If we press the button, will it turn off? Let's check. Yeah, it turns off. All right. Just if you want to just increase the size of the bulb, you can do that, of course. If you want to change the size of the bulb, you can do that, either increase it or decrease it. Let's see if what happens if we just change the size of this bulb to 50px. Let's see uh, whether the size changes or not. All right. It's pretty small, isn't it? The size changes nonetheless. Let's check if it is turned on. Yeah, it is a beautiful little bulb out there. If you just, let's see what happens if we change the size to 150 pixels. Yeah, it just is a huge bulb out there. Let's try to turn it on. It just turns on and it turns off also. So this is how we turn on the bulb and turn it off using this small code, a small piece of code. I hope you find this presentation interesting. Again, I request you to subscribe to this channel. We need your support through and through. We request you to comment on our presentation and press that like button. I humbly request you to be a bit more generous. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Of course, I'll be coming up with more pieces like these. Thank you.